Now we're going to work around a hinge and a cleat at the same time. So as you can see, we've got our cleat taped up and our hinge here. We've already made our relief cuts around the hinge. So now we're going to make a relief cut on the cleat. So we're going to find the edge of the cleat. And we're just going to cut all the way through down. Now we're doing this cleat different than we're going to actually do the cleats on the back of the case, because the cleats on the back of the case are sort of in the center of the actual back, where this cleat is going right to the edge of the back of the case. So once you've made your relief cut, you're going to start pushing it down gently with your finger. And now as we go around, we're going to make tiny relief cuts just so we can get around the corner. Just like that. See how it tears away? We're not going to start using heat just yet, because you only want to use the heat as a last resort. Use your hard edge of your squeegee. We're going to push that in, just like that. So come around and do the same thing to your hinge side. You're going to get that down all the way. And as we go around the cleat, we're going to continue making relief cuts. Make sure that you don't cut close to the edge of the case, right? Because your relief, you don't want to go into the graphic that's going to stay. Again, one more relief cut to get around that corner. And voila. You just installed your graphic around the hardest part of the case. I'm just going to do the exact same thing and finish off the other side. Again, we've already made our relief cut on the top, so we just start folding this down. Make a relief cut, push it in, and if you do make a mistake, just like I did, you ended up with a little crease of vinyl. Again, the adhesive is not permanent until it's been sitting for about an hour. So you have time to move it around, get it off, fix, push it back down. One more relief cut. And you're done. So all I would do is get your heat gun or hair dryer with a diffuser and go around it just to make sure the graphic film is going to stay put. So the reason why we use heat is because heat removes the memory of the film itself. The film is flat. It's not meant to bend around curves and go over top of other objects. It's meant to stay flat. So when we bend the film, we want to remove the memory. Plus, the heat also helps the adhesive process. It makes sure the adhesive will stick. So we just go around the cleat just like that, and you're done. So make sure that you push it in, push all the vinyl in around all the areas that you're going to cut, so that you have a nice crease line that your knife blade can follow when we're doing the finish work. Okay, now you've got all the hard part complete. The next step is to wrap it around the inside. Now, like I said before, if you don't want to wrap it around the inside, the graphic will be fine if you cut it right to the edge to there, because we primered that section, right? So just take your utility knife, cut it in here, go down one length, and then come back to that spot and go down the other length, and then seal that edge. But because this is my case, I want to finish it off properly and go through the inside. We're going to wrap this graphic around. So the first thing you're going to do, again, is make a relief cut, because you're over here and you want to make sure that you wrap this graphic around, but as you can see, it's starting to crease. So we don't want the crease, and that's why we make a relief cut. So we cut that graphic off there and then start folding it in. Now this here, I've used the box to prop up my case. We're going to lift this up just so that you can see what's going on here. So I'm going to push that down with my thumb only. I'm going to hold it with my other hand, and all you're doing is just pulling it around and finishing off that edge. Okay, now we're going to start to wrap the underside or the hinge side. Now, this is a little bit more difficult than doing the latch side, because obviously you've got nowhere to get in there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to lift the case open a little bit, and we're going to slide our material through that little crack. Just remember, you put adhesive primer on the one side. So once we get it through far enough, we're going to start making a few relief cuts, right? Just like we do around everywhere else. Just want to make sure that we can get the vinyl in where it's supposed to go. So give a couple of relief cuts around the hinges, just like that. Then we're going to lift the case up completely and continue to tuck it in underneath, just like that. Now what you'll see on the opposite side is that vinyl coming around just like that. And that'll finish off that edge. The next step after this is all the trim work, and then your case is done.